Hello, welcome to Louisa Bakes. Today we're baking a Christmas themed recipe. This is an easy peppermint chocolate cheesecake. So without further ado, let's get started. In a big mixing bowl, I'm gonna add about 2 cups of crushed Oreo cookies and melted butter. Mix it until it is combined. If you don't want to use your hand mixer, you can use a spatula instead. When it's nicely mixed, bring a prepared cheesecake pan and fill in the cookie mixture. Let's press it down. You can use whatever object you have on hand. I use a glass, but anything with a flat surface is fine really. And into the oven it goes for about 8 minutes. While the crust is baking, let's make the chocolate ganache. For that we need 6 ounces of dark chocolate, then just pour on the hot heavy cream and let it sit for a little bit. Usually, I mix it slowly so that the chocolate doesn't get attached to the bowl. And after a few minutes, you get a chocolate ganache smooth like this. Set it aside and prepare the cheesecake batter. For that we need 3 bars of cream cheese. It is best if you soften them for a few hours at room temperature. Add some flour to stabilize it and about a cup of white sugar to give it a nice sweetness. Let's start mixing it. Make sure you're doing it on a low speed setting, otherwise you'll end up getting a lot of air bubbles and you don't want any cracks on your cheesecake. When it's nice and creamy, let's add about half of a cup of sour cream to give it a nice tanginess and some peppermint extract, which will give it a nice holiday flavor. Then mix this for about a minute. And listen, this step is really important. So when you add the chocolate ganache, make sure that you add it slowly while you're mixing it. If you like a more intense chocolate flavor, you can add some more chocolate ganache, but it's totally up to you. Then add the eggs and mix it on a low speed until everything is smooth and creamy. It is easier if you add the eggs last, like we do, so you get less air bubbles inside your batter. Now that it's done with absolutely no air bubbles, we're gonna fill it onto the cooled crust that we made in the beginning and make sure that the crust is cooled completely. To not waste any of this chocolate goodness, scrape down the bowl really nicely. Now we're gonna smooth it out and it is ready to bake. I really recommend to use a water bath. For that I'm using a silicone mold, or you can also just wrap it in aluminum foil. Simply fill it with hot water and into the oven it goes. Remember to let it chill for at least 4 hours. Usually what I do is I leave it overnight in the fridge. To decorate the cheesecake you can pretty much do anything. But what I like to do is to add a layer of chocolate ganache. And for that I use a metal scrape and just cover the whole surface. Then I add some peppermint candy pieces to make it more festive looking. And I thought it looks nice to have some whipped cream swirls as well. And that's it. This is my easy peppermint chocolate cheesecake. I believe this is a great dessert to take for a holiday gathering or to show your in-laws you know how to bake. I hope you like this recipe. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which holiday desserts you are going to make this year. Happy holidays and happy baking. Goodbye.